Caban is on the normal site in Bangor. It's great fun, it's a really inclusive campus. There's a lot of people on the course, some people doing English and some people doing Welsh, but we have a lot of lectures together, so we all see each other, so there's a real sort of team spirit. We do a lot of study tasks where we work together in different groups. Those are the bits that I really enjoy. It's really interactive, we don't just get lectured to, we have a lot of questions that we have to think about and we do a lot of work together, which is fantastic. I am feeling really lucky with my placement. Actually, my placement is at Sandycroft, which is one of the Leeds schools, so I've already been there a few times. It's an excellent school. It's not too far from where I live as well. It's in Flintshire, so it's a fairly English medium school, so they really focus on Cymraeg bob dydd rather than using a lot of Welsh, but that's really something that I want to emphasise in my placement, using all the commands in Welsh, and obviously praising the children in Welsh is really important as well. I think there's a big opportunity there to have a positive association with the Welsh language. We've had to do a Welsh portfolio, for example, which has been fun and interactive. It just hasn't been a set of written tasks. We've had to baseline ourselves, if you like. We've had lots of interactive tasks like singing together, recording conversations together. It's really interactive, it's really fun, and it's just about building confidence to give it a go. So my Welsh is a little bit broken. I used to be very nervous about speaking Welsh, but I feel much better about speaking Welsh now and giving it a go, and I think that's important that the kids understand to give it a go. So if the kids are nervous, and if we're nervous, it's not going to happen. So everyone has to be confident to give it a go.